KMK provided a very comprehensive quote that was in line with what we were expecting. They had a lot more detail than the other organisations that we considered, and I got a really good feeling from everybody that I met with before we decided who to choose. From the beginning to the end, the experience with KMK has been really fantastic. Great communication from the whole team. Very respectful team. We were living in the property while the build was taking place, and they took a huge amount of care preparing the site and protecting our things while they were doing the work. So, fantastic experience.
KMK's work and processes have been top-notch throughout the whole experience. We use quite good quality products throughout both of our bathrooms, and everything was taken care of really well by KMK. The level of finish and attention to detail has been incredible, particularly the tiling, which is arguably perfect, which I think is really important, really brilliant. KMK's project management's been excellent. Their communication using their Builder Trend app has been brilliant. Uploading photos, sending questions, sending through queries, any changes to the project. It's really clear, concise. Communication's been fantastic. They've been brilliant.
KMK was an excellent choice. We would absolutely use them again and look forward to working with them in the future. I have recommended KMK solutions already to quite a few different people who have been about to start their build, or somebody that's looking for really fantastic attention to detail and quality project management.